About that, I had a coughing spell. So if I am looking for the area, I know that my big guy, I don't know his area, but it told me in my quiz review that my smaller guy, the area is 60 inches squared. It's important to remember, excuse me, that area, you need to square your scale factor. So if I'm going from my small to my big, and my scale factor is 1.5, in order to square it to find my area, k squared is going to equal 1.5 squared. And so that's going to give us 1.5 times 1.5 is 2.25. So what that's saying is take my area, multiply it by 2.25 to get my new area. So the area of RSTLN is equal to 60 times 2.25, which is going to give me 135 inches squared. So for C, the area is 135 inches squared. And then solving for D, finishing D out, D tells me that the measure of angle B is equal to 105. The measure of angle L is equal to 82 degrees. What is the measure of angle D? So we're looking for here. We can either know that these are corresponding. So for D, we know the measure of angle D is equal to 82 degrees because angle L and angle D are corresponding. Or we can look in our similarity statement. D corresponds with L so that we know measure of angle D is 82 degrees. All right, let's move on to number 6. Again, my drawing is not going to be to scale. I am just trying to show you guys how to do these, and the quiz review may not be to scale either. 6, 104 degrees. This is 10. So we know we have 3 different ways of doing triangle similarity. We've got angle-angle similarity, we've got side-angle-side similarity, and we have side-side-side similarity. I know I can't do side-side-side because I don't have all 3 sides, and I can't do angle-angle because I only have one angle. So I have to do side-angle-side here. In order to do side-angle-side, if I'm determining if they're similar or not, side-angle-side supports my theorem by knowing angle B is equal to angle C is congruent because 104 is congruent to 104. And then we have to figure out are my sides proportional. So we do my biggest side over my smallest side. 10 over 5. Is that equal to 6 over 3? Well, we can do this two of two ways, I guess. Cross multiply. So 5 times 6, that gives me 30, right? We're trying to question mark is that. So 30, does that equal 30? Yes, that is my one way of showing that they're proportional. Or another way we could have shown it is 10 over 5 equals 6 over 3. Make them into fractions. So 10 divided by 5, well, that gives me 2. That does equal 2. So that's a way I can show, yes, my sides are proportional. Yes, my angles are congruent. So by side, angle, side for 6, by side, angle, side, similarity, triangle ABC is similar. ABC is similar to triangle DCF. In our next one, 7. E, this is 2, 1, F. Okay, I don't have any angles in here, so I can use side, side, side. We can use side, side, side. We always do our biggest side over our biggest side first. So 4 is my biggest over 2. So I'm going to get 4 over 2. And then I do my smallest over my smallest, which is 2 over 1. So 2 over 1. This is my proportionality statement. And then the middle, the guy that's left out, which is equal to 3 over 1.5. All right, again, you can do it multiple ways. You can find the fraction. So this is going to give you 2 is equal to 2, and 3 divided by 1.5 does equal 2 as well. So that's one way. Or another way you could have done it was through cross multiplying, if you prefer to cross multiply. So 4 over 2, is that equal to 2 over 1? And we also have to check more. So don't think that's it. You also have to check 2 over 1, is that equal to 3 over 1.5? And then the last one is 3 over 1.5, is that equal to 4 over 2? Cross multiply, 2 times 2 gives me 4, 4 times 4 gives me 4, 4 times 1 gives me 4. That one works. 2 times 1.5, that gives me 3. 1 times 3 equals 3. That works. That only shows me that 2 of my sides are proportional. I need all 3. So 3 times 2, that gives me 6. 1.5 times 4, that does give me 6. So all 3 of my sides are proportional. So my answer for number 7 is by side, side, side similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. And for the last one, number 8. Okay. I don't know any side lengths at all, so I'm assuming I'm going to have to do angle-angle similarity. So I know that I have these two angles that are congruent. So angle B is congruent to angle E, and that was just given to me. But then I have these two angles right here. So I have angle ACB is congruent to angle DCE, and that was by vertical angles. And these were just given to me. So for my answer for 8, I can say by angle-angle similarity, triangle ABC is similar, ACB is similar to DCE, triangle DCE. Good luck on your quiz. You'll do great.